Let's talk about turkey. You may have noticed that we've had some extraordinarily massive pieces of turkey in our freezers this week. This being a very tasty turkey wing, that is a big one. We've got necks. Necks are going to be varied in size. This is one, same batch. Number two, they can vary. Turkey necks, and we've also got the plain mince and mince with chicken. This is the turkey mince. That looks amazing. Can you see that? So 100% turkey mince. So this is the 500 grams. We've got them in the smaller as well, but I wanted to talk to you about how good turkey is as a high quality protein that you can include in your pet's diet. So high quality protein is going to support your dog's muscle growth and also good muscle maintenance, because this will help to transport nutrients around the body and encourage good cell structures. There are various vitamins and minerals that we find in turkey, and including turkey as part of a balanced diet is amazing for your pet. So that's why we advocate feeding variety over time, because in turkey you're going to find niacin, which is vitamin B3, vitamin B6, you've got vitamin B12, you've got selenium, you've got zinc, sodium, phosphorus, choline, magnesium, and potassium. These are all things that help to support your pet internally and externally as they go about their day, because you're feeding a variety of different proteins. And this is turkey. It's like a spotlight on turkey, so you can see why it is good to include it in your pet's diet. So the first thing we mentioned are the B vitamins. B vitamins are amazing for efficient energy production and cell communication. That's B3. B6 is for amino acid formulation, so that helps to form the muscles and the tissues and will help with repairing from injury. You've got vitamin B12 found in turkey as well, which is amazing for DNA production and formulation of red blood cells, which rejuvenate and carry the oxygen around the body. You've got minerals that are found in turkey as well. You are looking at selenium. Selenium helps the body to produce the thyroid hormones. It helps to regulate metabolism and the growth rate, so it's a good thing to include for your puppies. Turkey also contains zinc, the mineral zinc, which is amazing for lots of processes in your pet and for us as well. Three things it helps with is metabolism, so helping you to use up the energy. Digestion helps to bring the food through and makes the guts and those parts of the digestive tract of the body work well, and also excellent for nerve function, amongst lots of other things. Zinc is hugely beneficial, hugely important for your pet, and does need to be found. Now, don't forget, it's not just found in turkey. These vitamins and minerals are found in lots of different protein sources, but this is just a spotlight on turkey to let you know what it's good for, as well as being part of that balanced diet. Sodium, that's something else that's within the turkey. One of the minerals you'll find. It is essential and it's needed in small amounts. So sodium, you might think that's salt. We would associate with that. So that actually helps balance the body, keeps the fluids running and smoothly. It helps the transfer of water in and out of cells, and it keeps muscles and the nerves running smoothly as well. And then we've got phosphorus, really important for good development of bone, teeth as well. It also helps the body use up the food that you put into it, helps to absorb the fats correctly. and then it will also help to maintain and repair the growth of cells and tissue. So that's going to help with if there's an injury, if your dog is recovering from something, that's going to really help support that. So that's phosphorus. Next up, we have got choline. Now, choline is essential for liver function. It helps to support the brain and the nervous system, and it really is important for liver function. Supplemental choline is used to treat dogs and cats with seizures or cognitive dysfunction, so muscles not working properly. They need choline in their diet, and it will be included in most meats, but you'll find it in turkey. So that's really important to know. Next up is magnesium. That helps to grow strong and healthy bones and good muscle function. Without magnesium, your pet would not be able to walk. They'd be very poorly. It also helps not only voluntary muscle function, but involuntary muscle function, like your heartbeat. It helps to support that as well, make it nice and strong. It also helps to support all the muscles relax after exercise. So that's magnesium. That's important to know. Last but not least, potassium. That is within it's actually a very important electrolyte that goes around the body, and this helps with voluntary and involuntary muscle contraction again, and nerve impulses again. That is something that's really important. So this whole massive list, which is a bit overwhelming when you look at it in a list here, this is what you've got going on inside the turkey. All of those things I've just spoken about found in turkey, and a really good source of these. So obviously feeding different vitamins and minerals over time, you're going to be building that up. That is why including a bit of turkey in your pet's diet is a great way to go. And at the moment, we are really pleased to have these ginormous wings in stock. You may have seen these on some videos recently. These have been really good for our larger breed dogs. So Cara had one for tea last night. Archie had one the night before. He's a Vizsla. Cara is a German Shepherd puppy cross. She's 31 kilos though, so she's not little. So she ate all of this, and it took her over half an hour because this is really good for her brain. She's never had anything like this before because we've introduced her to things slowly. This is something completely new. Got the 3-jointed wing. There's loads of meat on here and quite good bones within here too. And what she actually did, interestingly, was ate this part here because it's softer, and then she stripped these bones here and separated them, and then went back to eat them afterwards. This is quite a bit more of a harder bone, but she still went on and ate all of this. So to balance her diet out, because she's had quite a big bone meal within this meaty bone meal, she had a bone-free meal afterwards, which was this morning for breakfast. So she had some fish for breakfast. But look at that. That's delicious. All the dogs have enjoyed them. Some people like turkey, some people don't. Some people find the turkey can be a bit dry. We've heard that, but dogs don't seem to mind it. As you can see, it looks lovely in the packet. This is one of our 500 gram packs. That's the turkey, and also you've got things like the neck. So you've got the meaty bony meal with the wings, those have meat on there, and you've also got the darker meaty bone on with the turkey neck. That one's quite a small one. So they do come in different sizes, and then this one's quite a good size. So hopefully you'll consider adding a little bit of turkey into your dog's diet when you find it in store, or when you have a look on the website, which is nurturingbynature.co.uk, and we offer a next day delivery service, and that can be out with you within a 24-hour period. As long as you're not ordering over the weekends, it will be with you during the week. Don't forget, on our YouTube channel, you can also watch the win. It ends at this weekend, so it ends at the end of the weekend. This big box of treats, natural treats for your pet. Cats and dogs will enjoy these, but it's got rabbit ears, tripe sticks, it's got different turkey strips and different turkey and meat training cubes, like this one here is beef. So that's really worth having a look on our YouTube channel. See if you can enter that. Tell us which one the pet would like. Yeah, thank you for joining me today. I'm sorry I couldn't do it live, it's just not happening at the moment. But yeah, have a think about adding a bit of turkey to your dog's diet and your cat's diet, because these are all good things that cats need too, not just dogs. This is based on dogs, but do think about what you can get from just a little bit of turkey added into your pet's diet. Loads of goodness added in, and that's why we feed a variety over time rather than a variety within every single meal, because we're balancing our meals out over time. Thank you for joining me.